Hello and welcome to Phat Monkey 404. Today we are building another BrickHeadz set, but this time it's an 8-in-1 and it's Batman. You get the instructions to build the first Batman, but to make the other 7 you need to have the Lego build app on your phone to then build the rest. First time I've seen that, first time I've used it. But I did have it downloaded before because that's how you use that app now to register your sets. I think for each set you get like 20 insider points or something. And before you ask, yes I have. I've got 129 registered sets with 94,000 pieces. And that's not all of them because obviously I've got fake Lego. I've got fake Lego sets and there's lots of sets I haven't registered yet because I've just got so many I just can't be asked. Okay. Bit disappointing in some ways you can only build one of them at a time. Yeah, because the base of it is basically the same on every model, and then you've got the extra pieces on top then to build the different sets. But I am making a list to make all. So I don't know how much that's going to cost me or how long it's going to take. But yeah, so I need to buy an extra something like 1,200 pieces or something, and then I can make all of them and display them all at the same time. I have left one set open, and that's the Batman Trilogy version. I love those films, so I've kept it on that one. Anyway, it's set number 40748. It's at 325 pieces over 4 bags. Let's get cracking. And that's a wrap. Yeah, I do like these little BrickHeadz sets. Yeah, like I said, it's a bit different using your phone. I'm glad I had the fold phone, so it makes it a bit bigger, so you can see exactly what's going on. Bit different using that, and then you've got to keep clicking it and clicking it and clicking it to get it to move forward a bit faster. But yeah, generally, yeah, not a great little set, I must admit. Like I said, just have to try and work out what pieces I need now to make all 8 of them rather than just the one. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll see you for the next one. Adios. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, and if you can, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.